Hi, I'm Marilyn. I'm a nomadic micro crocheter currently traveling by land and sea from Singapore to Europe with just a single 40-litre backpack. I hope to spread the joy of micro crochet as I travel. My journey began as a fashion designer, creating prints for children's wear. Later, I became a sewing instructor to share my passion for sewing. In June 2022, I stumbled upon the micro crochet site of Instagram and instantly fell in love. Since then, I've taught myself how to crochet and can't stop making tiny pieces and friends for others to enjoy. I would like to use this space to share more of my crochet journey, offering in-depth posts about my process and sharing tips and tricks I've learned along the way. I'm currently still working remotely, but I'm hoping to turn this passion into a full-time gig. By becoming a member, you provide me with the stability to dedicate time to creating fun and cute pieces for you. Your support enables me to focus on what I love, experiment with different styles and patterns, and continue to explore new horizons in my craft. Thank you for being a part of my journey and supporting Smolchet. I hope my small pieces bring you as much happiness as it does for me.